Hello students, welcome class 4 to your e-learning computer class. Previous class I discussed chapter number 2, learn to use Windows 10. Some portion I discussed. Today I will start from page number 24, that creating a shortcut. Previous class I discussed how to create a file and folder, how to rename it. This portion I discussed the previous class. Today I will discuss that creating a shortcut. How to create a shortcut. Why use the shortcut? Shortcut for the files and folder which are used frequently. Which file and folder we use frequently, that file and folder we can create as a shortcut. So we can access it or we can open it easily. Shortcut is an icon that provides an easy way to open a file or a folder. How to create a shortcut? The steps. Right click on the file or folder. We have to right click on the which file or folder you want to shortcut. First you have to right click on the file and folder. Then you can see a context menu. Then you choose the chain 2. Then after you just right click on the file and folder, one context menu will appear. You just select chain 2, and when you click the chain 2, there is a option desktop shortcut. You just click it, then that file or folder will be a shortcut. After closing, and you can see your file and folder on the we can see on the desktop icon as a desktop icon. Okay, that is a shortcut. If you require frequently, you just double click on the icon, your file or folder will be open. Okay, now selecting multiple files. How to select? You have many files. Suppose you have folder and files. If you want to move, if you want to copy, if you want to move, you can copy paste anything. First, whatever you want to do, first you have to select the file or folder. How to select file and folder? There is a different way, many ways are there we can select a file and folder. How to select multiple files? Open the folder from which you want to select multiple files. Files are inside the folder. First you have to open the folder. Okay, open the folder from which you want to select the files. Inside the folder we can keep the files, right? From the home tab, click the select all. Suppose you want to select all the files under of the home tab, you after opening the folder, you just click the select all the files will be select. Now dragging and selecting multiple files. Using the mouse you can select the files. Using the mouse. How to select the files and folder? You can click and drag the mouse like a box around the files you want to select. To do the following, follow the given steps. This color will be changed, that means the file is selected. The files are selected. How to select the multiple files? Using dragging the mouse. Click and hold the left mouse button from which you want to select. You just click and hold the left mouse button, and then file or folder from which you want to start selection. Next, start dragging. Click and hold the left mouse button and drag it till you want to select. Drag the mouse over the icons until the last file has been highlighted. This portion has been, this files are, the color is changed, that means this is highlighted, that means these are selected, these files are selected. Okay, next another way, selecting multiple files without dragging the mouse. Without dragging the mouse also we can select the multiple files. How? Click the first file and then press and hold the shift key. Select the first file, which one you want to select. First click the first file and then press and hold the shift key. There are the two shift keys on a keyboard, you know, and press and hold the shift key. While holding down the shift key, click on the last file you want to select till you press and hold the shift key till the last file you want to select. And the another way also, select multiple files that are not grouped together. Click on the first file and then press and hold the control key. Control key. Click on the first file and then press and hold the control key. While holding down the control key, click on the each file which one you want to select. You just click the holding the control key, click on the each file you want to select. Okay, look over here, this 3 file is highlighted, that means this 3 file is selected, not others are not selected. Next, how to delete the files or folder. If you want to delete your files and folder, how to delete the file and folder? After selecting whatever you want to do, before that you have to select the file and folder. In this way you can select the file or folder, then there is a key on the keyboard, delete key. After select the file, you just press the delete key, the file will be deleted. That means which one you have selected, that file will be deleted. Okay, in the another way also you can delete the file. Select the first file and folder and then right click on one of the files and then select the delete from the context menu. This is another way. After selection of the file, you just right click on the file or folder, there is the option delete. You just delete, press the delete key, you just click the delete key, then selected file will be deleted. Okay, do not click the mouse button continuously. Okay, now how to move file from one location to another location. How to move the file and folder one location to another location. Suppose your file is in one location, suppose your file is in name of a BMS, okay, and then you want to keep that file, whatever file you have stored in the BMS folder, that file you want to move another location. Suppose you have created another folder is your home, you want to shift it. How you have to change the files, move the file one location to another. Which files and folder you want to move? First you have to select the file and folder. Okay, after selection, right click on the selected file and then select cart. If you want to move means one location to another location, the file will be moved, not the previous location, that file will not be there. In the new location, file will be there. Okay, so if you want to move, that means after select the file and after selection the file and folder, right click on one of the selected file and then select cart. When you right click on the file and folder, there is a option, context menu will appear, there is a option cart. You just select cart, the file will be cut from that location, and where you want to paste it, where you want to keep the another location, you just open that folder, then again right click on there and right click, there is the option paste, and you just click paste and that location file will be paste. Okay, now open the folder where you want to paste the cart file and then right click away from the icons. That means anywhere of the desktop you just right click and there is a option paste, you just click the paste, the file will be pasted. And copying file from one location to another. Copying means, move means one file will be just shifted one location to another location. Copying file from one location to another location means your previous location will also be there and the new location, that file will be there. In new location you can change the location also, but previous one also will be there. Copying, you have to copy and paste. To copy files from one location to another location, first select the file and folder. Whatever you want to do, first you have to select the portion. First you have to select the file and folder, and then after selecting the file and folder, right click on the selected file and folder. First, after selection the file, right click on the folder or files, and there is the option copy. You just click the copy option. After copying, the file will be copied, and then where you want to paste, open the that file where you want to paste. Open the folder where you want to place the copied file or folder, then right click, away from the icon, then right click, and when you right click there is a option, there is a context menu, there is a option paste. You just click the paste, the copied file will be pasted in another location. Okay, that if you want to move the file, then cut paste. If you want to copying the file, then copy paste. Okay, now the title bar, and then let's check few fill in the blanks over there. Next class I will discuss the fill in the blanks. Okay, now title bar icons in Windows. In Windows you can see the 4 bars: minimize, maximize, close and restore. Minimize, maximize, close and restore. This is a minimize. This is the minimize and this is maximize. This is close and this is restore down. Okay, there is a 4 button we can see on the title bar, right side of the title bar. Okay, minimize, by clicking on this icon we can shrink the window, okay, to the taskbar. To the taskbar we can shrink the window. And the maximize, it is used to restore the size the window to its maximum size. If you want to close the window, you just press close button. Okay, and restore down, it restored the window to its previous size. Okay. Okay, all of you, please all of you read the chapter. Next class I will discuss the book exercise. Thank you.